The builders of tomorrow need to maximize materials output using environmentally friendly processes with no compromise on safety. With Malvern Panalytical's CNA Pentos, you can do all this. Fast, reliable, and robust, this online instrument gives you real-time, accurate analysis of your raw materials like clay and limestone, and of the resulting raw mix for cement making. Providing data at very short time intervals, CNA Pentos allows you to closely monitor your process with efficient operations control. Based on the advanced PFTNA technology, CNA Pentos is designed for optimal uptime and excellent performance. A stable, precise kiln feed saves energy by optimizing efficiency and stability at all stages of production. It also lets you save energy and reduce CO2 emissions, so you stay in control whatever your targets. Equipped with a soda neutron tube and the highest radiation safety, CNA Pentos analyzes raw materials in real time to ensure homogeneous, precise mix proportions. And thanks to our Smart Blend software, you can closely control the process and combine data from other instruments in the lab. Unparalleled real-time chemical information, outstanding ease of use, and fast return on investment. Sustainable yet optimal cement has never been so achievable. We are Malvern Panalytical. We're big on small.